Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the role of supernovae in life's creation. The explosive death of stars, known as supernovae, plays a crucial role in the creation of life. These spectacular cosmic events mark the end of a massive star's life, releasing an immense amount of energy and scattering heavy elements across the universe. Without supernovae, the building blocks of life as we know it, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and even iron in our blood, wouldn't exist. Stars are natural factories for lighter elements, fusing hydrogen into helium and eventually creating heavier elements like carbon and oxygen during their lifetimes. However, elements heavier than iron, such as gold and uranium, require the extraordinary energy of a supernova to form. When a star reaches the end of its life and collapses under its gravity, the resulting explosion generates the heat and pressure necessary for these heavier elements to form. Supernovae don't just create elements, they distribute them. The explosion sends these elements into space, enriching interstellar clouds of gas and dust. Over millions of years, these enriched clouds coalesce to form new stars, planets, and eventually, the conditions for life. Our own solar system owes its existence to supernovae. The material that formed Earth and the other planets contains elements forged in the heart of ancient stars. Supernovae are more than cosmic spectacles. They are the universe's way of recycling and creating the ingredients necessary for life, connecting us to the stars in a profound way. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit like and share with others who love space. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe.